This time what we're doing is going to be demonstrating the use of DHCP using a separate DHCP server standalone with a switch. What we're going to do is we're going to add 4 clients. Then we'll add a DHCP server and configure it with a switch. We'll just use a little 2950 in here. We'll wire them up, same as we would Fast Ethernet 00 to Fast Ethernet 01, Fast Ethernet 00 to 02, 00 on client 3 to 03, Fast Ethernet 00 on client to 04. We'll also come over here and we'll grab the server, Fast Ethernet 00. Now we're not going to really do any configuration on the switch itself. Switch is just acting, providing basic service at this point. We'll go down and do the configuration. We want to set each one of these up for static, and we want to make sure that they're turned on. Port status is on. So we'll go to each one of these for configuration. So I'm going to DHCP and just double check the port status. DHCP, double check the port status, assuming they're all going to be on anyways. DHCP, and port status is good. Okay, so we're all good to here at this point, so we'll come over here and we'll do our basic configuration. We are going to be adding DHCP on this server. Our service, DHCP service, is going to be set to on. Our default gateway, we're going to set it to 192.168.1.1. We're not running a DNS server at this point. We started that at 1.1 on the gateway, so we're going to start our pool a little bit higher, 168.1.2, excuse me, .2, and our subnet mask will be 255.255.255.0, and we will save that. We should be good there. We'll check our fast Ethernet. Obviously, we have to set a fast Ethernet, so we're going to leave this to static. We'll set it to 192.168.1.30, and automatically it puts our subnet in, and we should be good on this, and we will save it. Come back over it. Shows our fast Ethernet is set to 192.168.1.30. Our DNS server is not showing because we didn't configure one. Come back over here and we'll just double check our DHCP. Everything looks good here. We'll check make sure our card is on. Our DHCP is up. Service is on. Our gateway is good. Our starting IP address should be 1, 2, and it changed it to 1, 0. Save. You notice that the default gateway, there we go. Come down here, check see our gateway value is 192.168.1.1, and our actual IP address on this first one is 1.1. See, this one here is 1.2. This one here obviously will be a 1.3, and this one here will be 1.4. Not giving us a conflict, and it should. And so what we're going to come back up over here is DHCP. See, it changed it for us to 1.0. We're going to start it at 1.2 and save it. Obviously, we don't want that conflict here. So if you notice, it's still at 1.1. So we'll come over to the desktop. We'll go to IP configuration, change it to static, and re-request another IP address. Should start it at 1.5. That way we don't have a conflict between the IP address of the machine and the gateway. So our gateway here is good there. Notice our gateway here is 1.5, or excuse me, is 1.1, and our machine is 1.5, so we're good to go. This did work fine. This is pretty much normal, using this method to control the DHCP. Thank you for watching our video.